Welcome to the Fanily!
Hey everyone, this is Daniel with the Fanily. Today we're going to be talking about the Etekcity Mini Camping Stove Model 21 2-pack. Actually got this on Amazon for a little over 20 bucks, so we will have an affiliate link in the description if you like what you see here. Alright, so we got two orange plastic boxes in here. Alright, both of these are exactly the same, so I'm just going to work on one of them. Looks like a plastic water resistant box. Okay, so here's your actual burner. So as you can see, I'm holding it in my hand. It's really small. You've got your flow adjustment valve here. You've got a spark igniter here. And then you have your stabilizer feet for your burner. These actually swing out around, and you can adjust the feet out like that. So I'm going to take this outside and I'm going to attach it to a burner, and we're going to boil a bottle of water, see how long it takes and see how easy it is to use. Alright, see you all outside. Okay, so now we're outside. We're going to actually be attaching it to everything. You should always do that outside because of some of the gas this can give off. This is your isobutane fuel canister. It runs off of this, not propane and not white fuel. So this is actually one of the fuel types the BSA actually likes to see you use. You just simply attach. Make sure it's on there nice and tight. Open your regulator valve up. Start your burner. I'm going to take my water boiler and one bottle of water. We're going to see how long it takes. Roughly 16 ounces of water. Alright, so I got it balanced on here right now, and if you're going to be doing freezer bag cooking, this is one of the most standard ways you can do it. Your MSR, they say that the boil time on it is a little under 4 minutes. This here, on the other hand, I think I read it's a little longer, but it is cheaper. We're at 3 minutes and we're starting to get bubbles. That's actually a really good sign. Colder weather would probably take longer, but 4 minutes, we're starting to get some rapid bubbles at the bottom. Not so much a rolling boil, but if you're doing freezer bag cooking, you don't want to go to a full boil anyways. We're starting to get steam off the top. Alright, so that's a pretty good level you want it at right now. If you wanted to purify your water, you'd let it go for another 10 minutes. But if you're just boiling it for cooking, this works fine. So we're looking at about 5.5 minutes for it to get to temperature. So then you just turn your knob until you cut off the flame. You would take your burner, pour it into your freezer bag, and so on. You let this cool off before you disconnect it, but one of these little canisters will cost you roughly $6, and it'll last you, as a single person, easily 1 to 2 weekends if you want to go camping. You'd of course adjust if you had more people going with you and you were cooking for them as well. But for the most part, for roughly $10 for a piece and $6 for a fuel canister, for somebody that doesn't camp all that often, this is a pretty solid piece to buy. So if you liked what you saw, by all means leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll probably do some more videos on camping gear, hammocks, tents, how to set anything up. Just let me know what you want to see. Thanks.
If you had fun watching today's video, don't forget to subscribe so that you can see more, and let us know in the comments what other toy videos you might want to see in the future. Also, don't forget to check out our other channel, The Fangirl, where we talk about all kinds of movies, TV shows, and even books and comics. But viewer discretion is advised. See you next time, Fanily members!